Magic Kingdom during a hurricane. Magic Kingdom closes at 2 p.m. It's almost noon. It's been raining all morning. And we got a little break from the rain. It's gonna be windy. You guys are gonna come along with us, and we're going to go meet Donald, Daisy, Minnie, and Goofy. I think the girl's happy. And Mommy might try to ride Tron for the first time, so we'll see. Okay, we're checked through security and entering a slow-looking Magic Kingdom. Like I said, they're closing at 2 p.m. to help their cast members and guests prepare for Hurricane Milton. So here we are, the most magical, safest place on earth. Wow. You want the teacups? The teacups for babies? Look at that guy's a hat. Yeah, it's quite the hat. Now she wants a balloon. So yeah, they removed some of the decorations for Halloween. They don't want that stuff to blow away. But yeah, I've never seen some. You want a balloon? Yeah, she wants a balloon. Wants a balloon. You want to get a balloon? We'll have to tie it to the stroller. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good. What can we get for you guys?
Purple or pink, red or yellow? Pink? Okay.
Pink.
Wow! Oh, thanks for putting those on. That'll help. We'll still tie it, okay?
I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's our 10th balloon today.
And what double digits, right? Yeah, we were here yesterday.
Mommy,
They saw this as soon as we walked in.
It's a perfect day for it.
Hey, right, it's perfect. And Donald and Daisy. You're right, I know. In style now. Mommy's gonna be hit with the balloon. Bye bye. Thank you. Boom. Boom. Boom.
that works.
The balloon.
Yeah. Look, I'll tell you how.
Ah, is it, Daddy?
You guys happy about your balloons?
Bienvenidos al Party Bar. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la taza. Y por favor, cuide a sus pequeñitos.
Have these teacups gotten smaller or have we gotten bigger? Dizzy. Good, but they kind of make you dizzy. I might have been spinning it too much. Sorry.
it down.
Down, look.
Check it out.
All right, we're here to see Minnie Mouse and Daisy. And Donald. Donald's over there, though.
Daisy! Got your friend. There you go. Ready this one to the camera? Hey, over here. Yay!
Peter?
Photo box. Hello!
Hi, Daisy. All right, let's take some photos. Woo! Beautiful. Nice. You want to pose with Daisy, baby? Say cheese.
Say cheese.
Cheese. We love you, Daisy.
We love you. Big hug. Yes.
Big hug. Good job. Thank you.
Yes. Daisy.
Minnie.
New friends to say hi.
Aw.
She
Yeah.
like the outfits. She love the outfits. Really cool.
And you got your
Cute.
ears on. Oh,
And the bicycle.
she's riding on her broom with Figaro. She has her Minnie Mouse ears. Playing the guitar. Yeah. You want to stand next to her and pose? Yeah, let's go stand next to her, okay? And then say cheese, and then Mommy will step in. Say cheese! Cheese! Cheese with Minnie! Yay! Okay, one with Mommy. One with
With
Mommy.
mommy.
Oh, no, your ears, I'm sorry. Say cheese!
Cheese.
She's coming good to say. Don't forget scan your picture the photo box, please.
Say
Thank you,
love her.
friend.
Bye-bye. I know her dress is so pretty. She loves
Pretty.
you. And her, yeah, she's got her tiara. Bye, Minnie. We love you. Yep, come get your photos. Thank you. That's so good. Enjoy. Yeah, we're gonna wait our turn. Yeah, hold your cards. You ready? Let's see Donald. Oh, Donald. You tickled him? Is it snakes? Wow. Ooh, he's got magic. He's a snake charmer. Shar, show him your ears that you got Donald on your ears. Uh-huh. And your cousins too. Yeah, the maracas. Oh, he loves that. Oh, that's Shake. He's taking your fun. Oh, that's too funny. Okay, go pose with Donald. And look at Daddy and look at the camera and go cheese. Cheese. A few with Mommy? Just a few with Mommy, okay? Hi, Donald. Oh, we love you so much. Oh, you okay, baby? Oh, no, your ears. Did you step on his foot? Do not do that. That wasn't nice. Yeah, say you're sorry. There you go, baby. I'm sorry, Donald. Yeah, Daddy's partnered up. He's your third cousin, twice removed. Look at Daddy, stand next to Donald. Go cheese. Oh, I know, he's speaking your language, isn't he, Donald? We love you, Donald. Oh. Oh. Bye, Donald. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. So they have those at Hollywood. They're bubble blowers. Are they kind of cool though?
You just crank on it?
Yeah, you do. Makes a bunch of crazy noises. Ah! Yeah, it's a bike. Puppy on the bike. You guys said you wanted some candy?
Yeah.
See what they got.
What's wrong with you? Oh,
please. Look at this. What would you guys rather have, a train or a castle? Well, which one would you rather have?
This one.
That one?
I want this.
And you want that?
I
Oh, this is cute. How about one of these? You want one of these too?
No.
No?
Mommy, look.
I see. Oh, you got Pluto here.
I was thinking on the way.
Stretchy legs. Well, pick out a toy, guys. It's cool though. It's $12.99. I haven't seen that.
Ow.
You want the train? You'd have to wait till Christmas. You want one of those? Pick out what you want. Hey, they got more candy over here. Let me show you. I don't think you guys would like the sour balls. Oh, see, this is what I was talking about. This hooks onto the castle. They love the carousel. I just thought that was so cute. You're not gonna like that. You won't like that at all. Here, there's other candies over here. Oh, did you see this? Look at that one? Oh no, not for Daddy, it's for you, baby.
Yeah.
So you want this one and this one? No, you both want that one.
This one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sissy, you want that one?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do 2 of those, please. 2 of the crispy with the spider on it, yeah.
Well, just right here, look.
Anything else?
I don't think so. Is that it, babies?
Yeah, I'll get it for you, baby.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Nothing's all good there. Just okay. Look at the stuff on here.
No!
No.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it? 80 bucks.
How much are those 2 toys?
Mommy,
13.
Yes, you want this?
You want that?
no, babe.
Well, you get all these little cars. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the big truck.
No!
No.
No big truck. This, no, I'm not so crazy.
Alright. Let me see your tattoo.
Nice, baby. Would you guys like some stickers too? We'll have extra.
It's a
Because
tattoo.
they'll forget about it or it'll
This
come
is
off.
tattoo.
Thank you so much.
Is it what?
Yeah.
Tattoo?
Yeah.
Alright, we got everything. When we get to the stroller, we can try our treats, okay?
Alright,
your
let's
map.
roll.
You're going to need your map.
Alright. Say bye-bye, folks. Thank you.
Bye, thank you. You ready?
Ow. Dad's got it. Hold on to it.
Hold on to your map. Get to our stroller. For you. And for you. Put your ears back on, okay? You're welcome. Just cover you up a little bit, okay? Okay, Mommy's doing a solo Tron cycle run for the light cycle run for the first time, okay? So wish me luck. I'll be quick. Bye-bye. We rode Tron.
How was it?
It was good, but it's short. Splash all the way to the exit. Why not? You're already wet. Splash your little hearts out. Oh, did you see this one? Yeah?